Welcome to Be Powerful. Hi, this is Dr. Sanghita, and today I am back again with an amazing 10-minute guided meditation on a very important topic: mental health. Yes. So, in today's fast-paced world, it's super easy to overlook the importance of our mental health, yet, it's the cornerstone of a fulfilling and balanced life. This meditation is designed to help you find inner peace, clarity, and a renewed sense of calm. So, let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down or stand as you prefer. Allow your body to relax completely. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let go of any tension you are holding onto. Remember, this time is for you and you alone. Your mental health is very important. You are important. So feel free to take this time for yourself and enjoy this session with us. Mental health is the foundation of everything we do. It affects how we think, how we feel, and interact with the world around us. When our mind is at ease, we can handle life's challenges with grace and resilience. We can experience joy more deeply and connect with everyone more authentically. Now, let's take a deep breath in, filling our lungs completely. Hold for a moment and exhale softly as if you're blowing out a candle. Feel the air as it enters your body and leaves your body. With each breath, imagine inhaling calmness and exhaling any stress or worries. Let your breath be your anchor, grounding you in this moment. Now you are full of calm and you have exhaled all the stress away from your body. All the worries got dissolved and you are shining and brimming with calmness and clarity. This is your moment. Soak in this breathing exercise for a minute. Lovely. As we continue to breathe deeply, I invite you to focus on a positive thought or affirmation. Repeat out loud or silently as you prefer. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. Feel the truth of this statement resonate deeply within you. Embrace the tranquility that comes from accepting and loving yourself just as you are. Now you are free. You have accepted yourself just as you are. You are so calm and full of positivity. You are at peace. You are safe in here. let's move our awareness through our body. Start with your toes. Notice any sensations, any areas of tension, and breathe into them. Slowly move your attention up to your ankles, your calves, your knees. With each breath, release any tightness you find. Continue this journey, moving up through your thighs, your hips, stomach, chest, your shoulders, your arms, finally your neck and your head. Feel your scalp so light. Let your jaws relax. Allow your entire body to relax and soften. Let go and release all the stress and release your muscles that you don't need to use right now. Relax completely. Soak in this moment of calmness. Observe your body. Feel the sensations. Feel the lightness around. Notice the sensations at the tip of your fingers and your toes, and gradually bring your focus back to your breath. Be in the moment. Remember, taking care of your mental health is not a one-time act. It's a continuous journey. Yes, it involves being kind to ourselves, seeking support when needed, and making time for activities that brings us joy. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your mental well-being. You deserve it. And I'm so proud of you today as you have taken this time for yourself and you have promised to help yourself in this 10-minute session. Soak in this moment and promise yourself that you're going to repeat it every day. You will take care of your mental health and nurture it like a continuous journey. Feel free to come back to this session anytime, whenever you're ready. Now I would like to bring your attention back to mindfulness, where you have to focus only on your sensations and thoughts. Be in the present, let everything come, wander in your mind and let it go. Don't react, don't judge yourself. Let all the thoughts come to you and pass your mind just like the clouds. Remain calm and still, and deeply focus on your breath. Notice everything, observe deeply. Don't judge anything. This stillness will help you center yourself and ground yourself and raise your awareness and be in the moment of now. As we near to the end of this session, take a moment to appreciate the calm and clarity you have cultivated. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember that you can return to this state of calm. This practice is always here for you, ready to guide you back to balance and peace. Be Powerful session is here, waiting for you to embrace balance and peace whenever you're ready. Now, take one final deep breath in and exhale. Now you're so calm, you're at peace, and you're deeply loved. You're safe and you're protected. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this meditation brings you the peace and strength you need. Come back whenever you need to reconnect with your inner peace. Be well, be powerful. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Be Powerful for more guided meditations and tips on living a balanced life. Until then, stay tuned and stay powerful. Namaste.